going to teach you about how to do blow painting, and some of its technique and little tips that you can remember and do when doing it. So first you get yourself a little piece of paper, a piece of paper like this, to be surrounded with newspaper. This is to prevent, newspaper is to prevent any spillage, to damage your table surface, and to make it easier for you to clean up later on. So what you need to start off first is to get some Chinese paints like this one. And then you need to get yourself a bendy straw. What's a bendy straw? Bendy straw is a straw with this bendable joint here where you can throw it left and right. So let's start. Okay, so first you get some Chinese ink, okay, to be on a straw like this. Okay, you just need a little bit, a drop of it to be on the paper. Okay, a drop of it to be on the paper, and then after that you will blow it, the straw, to the direction that you want it. So you will create some patterns as the ink moves along. As the ink moves along, don't try to control it. Instead, try to create an interesting configuration instead. Because the more you try to control it, the more difficult it is. So another technique is you can try to turn the paper around, and then you can start from this way. And then when you see that the paint is quite spread out already, you can start with another block. So then there you can see it forms very tree-like textures on the paper. You also can start off with, next you can go on with some colors. I have some colors here prepared for you. So what you can do is you can have some, maybe let's start off with some pink color. So how it works will be the same as how it is with the Chinese paint. So what you do is this. As you can see, the paint here is quite concentrated, that's why it's not moving well. So make sure you have enough water on the paint, on the ink, so that it will move in a more fluid manner. Okay, so let me just get some water and try another time. As you can see, this time it's more fluid because you're using watercolor. It has a transparency effect, so it's always good to start with the dark color, followed by the dark color like black, followed by any other color other than black, so that the black would not cover up your colored color. And maybe you can try another color like yellow. See, it forms a really interesting texture as it, merges with different color, forming different gradients and effects. Yeah, so you can try it on your own and see what kind of pattern you can come up with, and then bring it over to your software, and bring it to your software to further enhance the painting. Thank you.